so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello? Can you see me? Hey! I was just covering my eyes because when I do, it feels like I'm invisible. So fun. On a completely different note though, I'm gonna teach you about an animal. Let me give you a hint what kind of animal it is. It's the largest living land animal on our planet. Yeah, an elephant. Look at what I got. I got an elephant toy. Wow, it has giant ears, a really big trunk, and some ivory tusks. I love elephants. Let's learn about some elephants. Elephants are ginormous! The heaviest elephant ever on record was about 24,000 pounds. Whew, that's about 11,000 kilograms. To put it into perspective, yeah, that's about 8 cars. Whoa, that's heavy. An elephant uses its trunk to grab food and to suck up water and put it in its mouth. I have another fun fact about elephants for you. Elephants can't jump. That was so much fun learning about elephants with you. Now we know so much about elephants. Hey, I have something fun to do. Have you ever acted like an elephant? Well, let me show you. It's so much fun. Okay, first what you gotta do is you gotta close your eyes and act like you're in an elephant environment. Okay, now that we're there, now you put up your arm like it's an elephant's trunk, and then you move it around and make elephant noises like this. I'm an elephant. Hello. I love acting like an elephant. So much fun. Hey, now let me show you how to draw an elephant. I really enjoyed showing you how to draw an elephant. If you liked the drawing that I just did of the elephant, be sure to ask your parents to go to blippi.com/newsletter. I'm gonna give away this exact same picture I just drew, and I'm gonna autograph it to one of my newsletter subscribers. So maybe I'll pick you to send it to. All right, well, I'm sorry to say, but this is the end of the elephant video. If you like my videos and you want to see more, be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe so you can see all of my videos on my YouTube channel. Alrighty, bye, see you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!